In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GTD and Para in Notion, 5 minutes. First, sign into Notion and create a fresh workspace page titled Para. This will be your home base. Instead of adding simple pages under it, we'll build databases. Databases unlock relations, filters, and views that make the Para method and GTD work smoothly together. Start with a project's database. Add properties for status with options like to do, in progress, and done, a deadline date, and a relation that connects each project to an area. Projects are short-term, outcome-driven efforts, so keep their titles action-oriented and add a brief description of what done looks like. Next, create an areas database. Areas are the ongoing responsibilities in your life and work, things like business, personal, or home. You don't finish an area, you maintain it. Linking projects to areas ensures every project supports something that matters, preventing random initiatives from cluttering your system. Then set up a resources database, your personal library for notes, articles, and media. Add tags for topics and use the Notion web clipper so you can save useful pages without breaking your flow. Later, link those resources back to the projects they support so research stays close to execution. For archives, you can keep a dedicated database or simply create filtered views in your other databases that show items whose status is set to archived. This keeps history accessible without distracting you day to day. Now connect the pieces, relate projects to areas, and use that relation in your views. Every project should map to an area. If it doesn't, reconsider whether it deserves your attention. Link relevant resources to each project so context and material live in one place. Build a master dashboard as your landing page. Pull in a gallery view of projects filtered to in progress, so you always see what's actively moving. Add a daily tasks list that shows tasks tied to those active projects, whether you store tasks as sub-items or in a separate tasks database. Filter by project status so your list stays focused. Finally, include an inbox, a simple table where you can brain dump ideas, tasks, and links. That's your GTD capture bucket. Set aside a quick daily review to empty the inbox into projects, areas, or resources, and a weekly review to archive what's complete. With this setup, Para keeps information organized while GTD drives action, giving you a clear path from capture to completion.